But how does it work? Well, it's simple. The AI-driven platform automatically converts your webinar guests into affiliates who are rewarded to promote your webinars. This powerful innovation makes it easy to onboard affiliates and new customers fast, super fast. It enhances your event's visibility across thousands of event calendars, social media networks, search engines, and even AI models. With automated follow-up using AI chatbots, you're always engaging with your audience long after the event is over, building relationships that last. With the Webinar Guest List Builder AI, you're not just managing your event guest lists. You're creating a powerful sales engine that rewards you instantly, expands your reach, and maximizes your revenue. Are you ready to transform your webinars from a cost center into a profit center? If so, click the link in the video description to get started today and discover how easy it is to monetize your events, build stronger relationships with your audience, and boost your marketing efforts automatically. Enjoy.